Here are 10 random and interesting facts you might didn't know. Number 1. The parrot Zach the macaw from San Jose in California managed to put 22 rubber balls through the hoop in just 60 seconds. This isn't Zach's only record either. The previous year, he held the record for the most cans opened by a parrot in 1 minute, managing to go through 35. Number 2. The Mexican town of Zanacatlan entered the Guinness Book of World Records with a giant teddy bear, more than 20 meters long and weighing 4 tons. The colossal stuffed animal called Zanata took 3 months to sew and is the largest of its kind. Number 3. Most Big Macs eaten in a lifetime was established by American Donald Gorsk, who has eaten a total of 28,788 Big Macs. He usually eats 14 a week, but he doesn't really spend that much time at McDonald's restaurants. Instead, he buys the burgers in bulk and microwaves them at home. In the past 44 years, there have only been 8 days that he hasn't eaten one of the famous snacks. Number 4. Ronsarchian crushed more watermelons with his hands than probably any other human being alive, and it took him just 5.91 seconds to crush 10 of them. He also set Guinness World Records for the most eggs smashed with a punch in 1 minute, crushing 334 of them. Number 5. The most smallest wooden spoon was created by Shreya Bhave. The spoon was only 2.5 millimeters long. That's about the width of a strand of pasta. Number 6. The record for spinning a basketball with your finger is 11 minutes and 22 seconds, but did you know that the Guinness World Record for spinning a basketball on a guitar is 32.46 seconds? That is a strange record. Number 7. Davidrush balanced a hula hoop on his head for 16 minutes and 13 seconds while swimming in the pool at the Boise State University Rec Center. This sounds like a game that was devised by 2 12-year-old boys on a dull summer day. Number 8. Professional juggler and handstand expert Nicolas Montes de Oca of Mexico broke his first 2 Guinness World Records titles in March 2022. He achieved the longest one-armed handstand in the world, holding the pose for 1 minute 11.82 seconds. He also did the longest handstand on a turntable at 25.78 seconds. Number 9. Nick Steberl, aka The Lick, from Monterey, California, holds the Guinness record for the longest tongue, measuring 10.1 centimeters as of 2012. Number 10. In 1993, the Benetton Group, a clothing firm, placed a giant 22-meter condom on top of the obelisk in Place de la Concorde, Paris, to commemorate World AIDS Day. And that would be all for today's video. How many facts did you know? Consider subscribing if you don't want to miss more videos like this one.